Generally, bonds are considered to be safe than the share market, and you will get a fixed income every month. हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है फाइनेंस फॉर फेस फ्यूल टू योर इनकम। मेरा नाम है नरेश चंद्र मराठी। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक बॉन्ड्स। चलो आ जाते हैं क्रोम पे। ये है मेरा पहला वीडियो जो अभी तक ज़्यादा लोगों ने नहीं देखा, तो प्लीज़ देखिए और सब्सक्राइब भी करिए, थैंक यू। चलो आ जाते हैं गोल्डन पाई वेबसाइट पे। एक्चुअली आई पार्क माई मनी हियर. So here I select any kind of bond which I wanted to invest in, based upon my investment amount. Like यदि अब मेरा amount कम है तो I will sort here. There are few things we need to consider before investing. What is our budget? What interest do we need to look upon? Which is known as coupon rate. What is the coupon rate? And tenure. Is it tax free or not? Is it safe or not? Main thing. So my investment is less, so I will go here. Investment is low to high. So here minimum investment is 20,000 for 5% yearly. Payment is interest payment is yearly. Tenure is of 60 months. But I think I need a monthly interest. So I'll come here. I will select this monthly, and the minimum investment is nearby 3 lakhs. We'll open that. So minimum investment is 2,99,662 rupees and 68 paise. Yield to maturity is 10.7506. This is the amount, this is the interest amount you will get definitely for sure short. And July 2028 is the maturity date. Monthly you will get your interest. Face value at the time of launch it was 1 lakh. And this is a private mode. Listed, it is not listed in the exchange. This is a taxable bond. Date of issue, it was issued on 13 July 2022. Perpetual, this is not a perpetual. So perpetual means that it doesn't have the maturity date, it will go on, but this is not a perpetual bond. Type to type, here we have the cash flow, how much we will get interest on this one every month. So on 31st July we will not get any interest. On August 31st next month we will get 2,614 rupees and 19 paise, and here we are getting 3 units. So you can't reduce. This is the fix that you need to invest. At the time of launch you could have get 1 unit, I mean the 100 units, no sorry 1 unit. On September 30 you will get 2529.86 based on 30 days and 31 days, so it is divided into that. So till the maturity you will get an interest. So the maturity is 28 July 13 July 28, and you will get an interest of 1093.28 because from 30 to 13 it calculated, and the face value also you will get directly to bank. So here we have the credit rating. Credit rating is of A plus stable, which is given by the CRISIL, so it is a safe bond. Generally considered AAA, AA, A bonds are safe. So if you have invested your amount in a Bank of India in a FD, you would have get 5.40, but here you are getting 10.75. Here is the company's information, you can go through that. तो ये है उसके competitors, you can compare. And if you want to invest in any kind of government bonds which are generally AAA rating bond, you can directly come here, select tax-free returns. So currently there are no government bonds available, and also you can select this one, tax exception. Here also we don't have any bond which is generally issued by the government sectors, so here we don't have anyone. So if you are NRI, you want to invest, you can select this. So you can also invest here. Here we can also invest here, any person can invest, NRI can also invest here. So we have one more website to invest in government bonds, RBIRetailDirect.com. We'll do one separate video on that one even. Someday we'll do that. Generally bonds are considered to be safe than the share market, and you will get a fixed income every month. So most of the people want to preserve their capital, so they invest here. So they invest in bonds instead of banks. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and also please subscribe. We need to reach 10,000 by this month. Thank you very much.